Hello, Dr. James Marcum with the Biblical Prescription for Life. Thank you for spending time with me. Thank you for sharing this with your friends and neighbors. Thank you for commenting and using your comments to help others. We have a very important topic today. That's biblical treatments. That's 5 biblical treatments for depression. Many people suffer from depression, whether it's short-term depression or long-term depression. It's everywhere in our world, and I want to give us 5 biblical treatments for depression today. But I want to start you out with a text. And I think as you think about this text and pray about what we're talking about today and internalize it, it'll make sense why I chose this text. And that's Matthew 26 verses 37. And he took with him Peter and the 2 sons of Zebedee, and he began to be sorrowful and deeply distressed. This is Christ that's being sorrowful and deeply distressed, and he took his friends with him. So I think this chapter, Matthew 26, is a great place to think about how Christ himself dealt with depression or sorrow or being distressed. Remember, Christ, we find in Hebrews that Christ can empathize with me, with my human weakness, with my human emotions, with my human challenges, with my human diseases. And if he can do it for me, he can do it for you as well. So here we go with 5 biblical treatments, prescriptions that will help those with depression. This is very valuable to share with each other. You might need to apply them to your lives. So let's go over 5 of them. Number 1, walk with God. Listen to his voice. That means studying the Bible regularly. Prayer, where you can express yourself, your deepest needs, your deepest desires, even though they might not sound so good, we have to do this. And we look later in that chapter, Christ says, my soul is exceedingly sorrowful, even to death. And then he asks his friends to stay here and watch with me. Then he says to his Father, if it is possible, let this cup pass from me. So express your deepest thoughts and desires. God understands. But realize as we walk with God, it's about God's will being done. We see that in verse 42 in this chapter. God is sovereign, and he may allow depression and other diseases for a reason. That might be to glorify him in the way you handle it. It might be to save you and make your relationship better because you realize you need a savior. We don't know, but we can trust God. So that's number 1, walk with God.